Alright. We are back with some YouTube content. Welcome to Henrik's Restorations. What do you guys think of this mess that I have in my garage at the moment? It's a joke. God damn. Well, that's what happens when you're not in the garage that much, so you just dump things on the floor and just close the door. This episode will be, a mix of things that I will do. I will try to attack that plate, cut it out so I can access it, and in the future fix the rust over there. And if I have any time left, I will continue grinding the frame so I can eventually paint some sections of it at least. So yeah, that's the plan of today. And I will also mention that I've removed the front axle. It's detached from the car, so it's just standing on axle stands. So if I have the power in my muscles today, I will try to move it. But I know that they are very heavy, and I don't have these rolling stands, so we'll see how we figure it out. But yeah, you can see there's some rust, the springs and everything. And these are not looking super healthy. But I also realized that you can save a lot of parts with just some angle grinder and some new paint. So let's hope that will work. Okay, where should I start? I should start with some cutting. That's very fun. So I need to remove that fuel can out of here so I don't sparklate that thing. And then I will bring the angle grinder and start cutting some metal off. Do you like my mustache? It's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, let's get to it. I'm changing the technique from the cutting disc to a floppy disk with the sandpaper, because this was actually a whole full piece. It was just this weld that was not so good. So I just gotta smooth this off and then weld it again. Behind the B post, it have started to bend, so here's quite some rust underneath here. I'm sorry for the focus, it's a little bit too close. So my plan is to cut the B post rear lower section off, get it off, see how much rust is behind, because this is need to be replaced. And then maybe I can, I don't know, if there's a hole in here, I can see how much rust there is in this box. Or I need to cut this out as well as they did before and put a new section in. Just gonna paint like this. Something like that. There we got a line, so we can remove this lower section, get it out, see how it looks behind. Not too rusted, actually. There are some, I don't know if you can see, there are some rust in the bottom in this repaired section. I don't know if you can see in there, but looks pretty okay in the front, actually. So I think I should keep cutting away this rear section, but that we can build a new sill or buy one, repair the rear section and then get the fender in from the rear, because I think this is too much rust to feeling good about. So I'll just keep cutting and then have too much car left. Okay, so in hindsight I think this was a pretty good idea to cut this open and get a new panel in here, because this would have been not good to keep. And you can see like this hole straight through here. So I will this tar thing. Yuck. So continue cutting this away and let's see when I'm done. Woo! It's out. This might be good to have. Because as far as I know, these are a little bit tricky to get a hand on. Got a hand on mine. There's layers and layers and layers and layers and layers of metal and rust. So this is how it looks at the moment. You got the arm from the frame carrying the body on that bolt. And then here is the lower part of the wheelhouse, or the wheel arch. And here is the top one, that part. So that is from here and above. But this part, I think, is a little bit tricky to buy, because I don't think there are too many out there. So my plan is to sort of separate that part from the upper part, this and this. So you can get rid of those two, but keep that one that actually attached to the body mount. I need to get the body off the frame so I can prepare the frame properly. And so yeah, I will spray this bolt down with some WD-40 and then we'll continue with the wheel arch. That was easy. Cha-ching. Grinding an oily and dirty frame is nothing I recommend. I don't know how my face look. Not too bad. And I have like oil residue all over my body with, you can see here, it's like, not gonna bring those clothes into the bedroom. Okay. I am a very impatient person in some ways. So my plan now is that I'm gonna tape off a section here that we're actually gonna paint with the rust protection and then let it sit for a while and then come back black over on top, because I can't stand waiting anymore. So this is nothing you drink. This is for cleaning stuff. So let's see. There is some oil left on this frame. The plan is we're gonna prime this section up here and that like front end of the frame. So primer all the way over here. Okay? Sounds good? Yep. So as I mentioned, we're going to use this Hammerite product that I bought today. So it's a nice pink color. So let's see. So this product is only used. One layer. The black coat will be 2 layers. Let's take a look at the front right corner of the frame. Look at that, right? Yeah, I think that's about it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching, and please click like, press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, and I promise I'll answer all of the comments that you leave. So yeah, see you in the next episode. Ciao!